Do you have a leftover butter chicken gravy from the previous night? Okay, well, then this recipe is just for you, and trust me, you're going to love this one. सबसे पहले we're going to cut few vegetables. Okay, so I've taken bell pepper, onion, boiled corn, and few olives. Heat a kadai, add 1 tablespoon of butter and let it melt. बटर जैसे ही मेल्ट हो जाता है देन ऐड इन आवर वेजिटेबल्स. सो आई एम एडिंग onions, then red bell pepper. I think you can use any vegetable of your choice. So you can use the green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper. You can also add zucchini, carrots, baby corn, anything of your choice. अभी vegetables को saute करना है. Just make sure you keeping the flame on a medium to high because we don't want the onions to lose water. In fact, we want the vegetables to be on a little crispier side. So as you can see, this is 1 cup of the leftover butter chicken gravy from the previous night. Now we're going to add this to our vegetable mixture. After 2-3 minutes, once you see that the oil is separating from the sauce, now we are going to add cream to this mixture. So add 1 to 2 tablespoons of the cream. I'm using normal Amul fresh cream. Okay, you can use your homemade cream also. अभी फ्लेम को मीडियम टू लो ही रखना and mix it very well. Now I'm adding cream cheese, 1 to 2 tablespoons of the cream cheese. In fact, you can use any cheese of your choice. So you can use the cheese slice or the shredded normal processed cheese, whichever is available in your kitchen basically. At this point, I'm adding the boiled corn and the olives. Now side by side, start prepping for your pasta. So I'm boiling water and adding 1 tablespoon of salt. Also you can add 1 teaspoon of oil. I have not added. Then add the pasta. So I've used penne pasta. You can use any variety of pasta, but penne tastes better with the sauce. Once the pasta is boiled or al dente, drain in the pasta to the sauce. Okay, mix the pasta very well with the sauce, so it has to be coated very nicely. And then I'm adding a little bit of cream cheese or the cream again. Okay, so the pasta is almost ready. Trust me guys, you're going to love this recipe. Try this at home and comment down below that how was the recipe. And I'm sure your friends and family is going to ask you for the recipe. So please share, like and subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you soon again. Take care of yourself and bye.